this week's Tasty Thursdays with Anna, I'm going back in time to a video I made when me and my grandma were in the kitchen. She's the first one who introduced me to cooking when I was a wee girl. We're in the Italian kitchen with Nonna Forte. Hi, Angelina Forte. What are you doing today? Onion and potato. Yummy! This is the fun Sicilian food. These potatoes, these onions. It's all right. The mess is okay.
Everything is on. Now you gotta make a salsa just to fry garlic, so fry onion, fry, put the meat and fry it together. Put the salsa, just keep it going. If you put water, make it cook, boil the spaghetti. Easy. I don't know why everybody don't know what you're gonna cook. Easy. And me, nobody telling me I make a cook, I don't measure up nothing. Just I think I'm gonna think you need it and keep it go.
Keep it go.
Keep it go. Onion. I don't know what the name is.
Onions.
Just one.
So you put the onions in water to take away the hotness?
Squish a little bit.
Squish the onions.
This is where the onion tastes sweet.
Oh, secret number 1 today.
Now we better turn it up with this. I need to try it. Just you gotta peel the potato. You know, you gotta take 1 hour peel potato. Just to easy. Just to peel potato, you cut and mix everything with oil and vinegar. You want to put a parsley, fresh parsley, mix everything. C'è me quello becca, adesso è no. Olive olio.
Yum.
Vinegar.
Salt.
Salt. Pepper.
Questo è il lavoro di Alessandro Canino, ragazzo souvenir, che vedrete tra pochissimo al Cinema Picnic dal 12 al 19, dove vi spiego pure come fare. Catalogna, Bavaro,
Parsley.
Repubblica Dominicana, assentatevi se non avete fatto i biglietti perché la vedo difficile il ragazzo souvenir. Adesso ci immergiamo nell'ambito musicale perché c'è Sam con il suo singolo intitolato Vedrai.
That's it. Oh my gosh. My favorite. Thank you. Yummy.